Cleaning up after the AEF. Popular Science Monthly, February 1920. All ready for the so-called $2 million airplane fire that aroused so much comment in this country. Rumor had it that the government simply gathered together most of the airplanes in France, removed the engines, and extravagantly burned what was left. But the government tells a different tale. Tires, hard and soft, smooth and non-skid, of all sizes and all styles, make up this pile. Those in front show plainly the rough usage to which they were put on the roads of France, which were literally shot to pieces. You would think, from the wheels and bodies strewn around, that the Germans had blown up a wagon factory, but such is not the case. In the general cleanup after our army left France, these wagons were classed as rubbish. Here you see some of the burning airplanes that were purposely fired in the general cleaning up process in France. The government says that only those parts that could not be sold or used were destroyed in this bonfire, and that the financial loss was not very great. There is a law that prevents the government from giving anything away. The belongings of soldiers' sons who died. Popular Science Monthly, February 1920. Most mothers were fortunate enough to have their soldier sons safely returned to them, but some paid the ultimate price of war. To these, the army is returning the personal effects of their boys. Checking up effects is often a heart-rending job. A bag of tobacco, a watch, and several pictures of his family were found in one boy's bag. His address was in his wallet, and so all his effects were sent home. Here is a typical collection of odds and ends taken from a ditty bag. Eyeglasses, rings, letters, wallet, a knife, a watch, and a hand grenade. The letters will enable the Bureau to find the boy's mother and to turn over to her her son's bag. Soldiers and sailors who are detailed to the work of opening trunks find it one of the hardest experiences to go through with. A complete record of every man who was killed is gradually being compiled by the Effects Bureau. Here you see several rows of boxes containing the completed records of many of the men. These trunks belonged to soldiers who died in France. The Effects Bureau in New York is trying to locate the families of these men. There are 4,000 unidentified trunks stored away in this room.